Hi everyone, today we're making these easy and lovely 3D flowers. It's really cute and lovely. Let's get started. We're going to make a chains. I'm going to make a 103 chains. After making 103 chains, we're going to skip, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chain, and going to 7 chain, make a 1 single crochet. Then make a 3 chain. Again, look, skip 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, going to 4 chain, make a 1 single crochet. Again, 3 chain, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, going to 4th, make 1 single crochet. Look, we're going to make these little spaces by 3 chains and keep going until the end in same way, and at the end we'll have a 25 mini spaces like this. As you see, I made, look, now we have a 25 mini spaces. For the next row and last row, 1 chain, turn our work and going to the first spaces and make a 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. We are making in same space. Then 3 treble crochet like this. Yarn over, grab the yarn, look, through the first, next, through the both of them. This is triple double crochet, and we're going to make 3 of it. Again, after making 3 triple double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and the last one is 1 single crochet. Look, we fill the first box or space, and again going to another space and make in same way. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 triple double crochet, 1, 2, 3, again 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Look, and until the end we're going to fill all of the spaces in same way. After finishing, cut the yarn a little and leaving a little long for sewing the flower with using a needle. Okay, and I'm going to shape, look, like this. First, we're going to join the first part into the second. Here, look, like this. Turn it, look, and join it from the back, look. Shape it, get from the below chains and above chains together. Look, by shaping the flower and joining through the chains. Cut the yarn, shape with your hand to look better. But it's really cute and easy.